In my video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove browser notifications which are now related to the site agabrielloomr.com. agabrielloomr.com is a new malicious website that may suddenly start attacking your browser. The trouble with this website is that it displays fake alerts that try to make you click on this allow button in order to make you subscribe to the multiple advertisements that will be displayed as random and very annoying push notifications. So if you have mistakenly done that, if you have clicked on allow button, definitely it was a mistake and it needs to be urgently fixed. This is the way you can fix it. Go to the menu, settings, choose privacy and security, then site settings. In permissions, scroll down to notifications. Now pay attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications. If you find any malicious sites here on the list, you need to click on this button and remove all these junk sites from the list. Just make sure you get rid of all of them. Finally, after you do that, I would also recommend researching your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then begin researching your device with its help to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.